Ladies and gentlemen, Nydiesels.com. We have a true survivor here. 2002 quad cab, long bed, 1 ton from Texas. True survivor, this truck right here. We did put a brand new paint job on it, and we've also put a new engine in it. Completely rebuilt 6-speed manual transmission. This truck's not done. Coming up very soon. As you can see, it's in the shop. As you can see, take a look at the frame, original stickers and everything. Guys, if you're looking for a used truck that's like a new truck, like if you could pull back in 2002 and buy that brand new 02 Cummins 6-speed again, 4-wheel drive, would you? I bet you wish you could. Well, that's why we're here, because I'm going to make sure that you can. So don't miss this truck. If you're interested in it, you can get ahead of everybody else right now and buy it. 607-423-7729. If we cannot pick up your call, email john@nydiesels.com, john@nydiesels.com. Okay, you will not find this truck anywhere. Everything on this truck is brand new, from the paint to the tires that are coming to the engine, transmission, driveline, seals, bearings, brakes, you name it, bumpers, lights, grill, headlights, everything. It's not going to be cheap. But hey, quality's not cheap. So if you're looking for that $5 vodka, we're not the place for you. But if you're looking for that top shelf, something you can't find anywhere else in the world, get a hold of me today. And as always, tell your friends and keep your turbos spooling.